Welcome to my channel. I'm Jdee. I really appreciate y'all joining me today. Today I got something fun to do. I got something that's going to be really fun. And that is, I had a company reach out to me and they'd asked me if I would be interested in reviewing their hair extensions. Well, y'all know me in hair. Well, what did you think I would say? I said, absolutely, of course, I would love to. The company is E-litchi, and this is what it looks like. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up and we're going to see what I have. I'm excited to do this. I'm excited to share it with y'all because I love playing with hair. I love doing hair. I should have been a hairdresser. That's what I should have been. But if you want long hair and you have short hair, well, what can you do? And that is this right here. So today what we're going to do is we're going to put in a faux extension ponytail. And I've not done it. I've not opened it. We're going to open it together. We're going to try it together and we're going to see how it works. So this is a first impression. I haven't, as you can see, it has not been opened. I have no idea how this is going to work. But we're going to find out together. I'm going to brush my hair out. I'm going to take my jewelry off. And we're going to put this on. And we're going to see how it looks. So this is what the packaging looked like, as I showed you. And then there's some information on the back. This is what it looks like. And this is the first time I've actually taken it out and looked at it. I have two different color hair. My hair back here is dark, and then my hair up here is light, and then I just had some highlights put in it. It has a little hair net over it, and I'm taking that off. So this is what we have, which is, and I'll put down below the length and the color that I have. This is a ponytail. This is what the back looks like, and then you have a piece right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do my first attempt at putting this on and see how it works. It feels very, very nice. And as I'm doing this, I'm looking down. I have on a black shirt, and I'm not getting any shedding. That's one thing I don't like about extensions that are not made well, they'll shed. But I'm not really seeing any. And I also see that they're pretty thick, and I like that. I like that they're thick, and it's also not like one piece. As you can see from the side, you've got several layers in there, and I like that. What I'm going to do now is put my hair up on top of my head. Let's see what happens. Now, I've just pulled it up. I haven't pulled the last ponytail through. I wanted to stop and show you some of the other things that were in the package. It came with its own little hair tie, and then it had an extra clip, and that's in case you lose one or maybe you want to add one. And then there is a couple of bobby pins and a needle and thread, and that is so that if you want to sew this extra clip on. So that was nice. Okay, well, let's see what we got here. It does have one clip attached. I like the idea that I could add a clip. So I'm going to pull this all the way through now. So there's my hair. There's my ponytail. And we're going to piddle around with this and see what happens. So y'all just bear with me because this is my first attempt. I think this would be fun, especially when it starts getting into the summer and you know, you start wanting to wear your hair up. And I don't have long hair anymore, but I don't know, I think this is fun. So I just put it on, and it's wrapped around my ponytail. Now, I've got the little Velcro piece, and I'm going to pull it around. Okay, and I've got it all the way around. So right now, it's on my head. And I'm going to take this extra hair, and we're going to wrap it around to hide that piece of Velcro. And once I get it, I'll probably wrap it. Yeah, let me wrap it several times. And then I'm going to take a bobby pin, and I'm just going to secure that little piece of hair at the back. Well, that was a whole lot easier than what I expected. What do y'all think? Look at me. Look at me. I got long hair again. I tilted my camera up because it was pretty low, and my hair's pretty high up there. Well, I'll tell you what, I gotta say that I genuinely am impressed with the quality, the way it feels. It's not pulling on my hair. It's not heavy. It just feels like I have my hair up in a ponytail. So here's what it looks like in the back. There's the side view. What is it? A J-Lo. I did an old video a long time ago where I did some J-Lo makeup. Well, now look, I got some J-Lo hair going on. I think it's cute. I do. I like it. I think it's so cute. I really like it. I really like it. I think I could have a lot of fun with this. I think that I could really fix this up, and I could get like a serious bun going on up there. Look at that. I'm going to stick one pin in it. That's one pin. Take note, y'all. One pin. And I could have a scarf going around my head. I'm going to turn around. I am very, very surprised that that was that easy. I was kind of a little bit worried because I've never had a fake ponytail, but I have to tell you that was easy. It was easy. And I can imagine like if we were on vacation and I got up and I didn't want to do my hair, I could do this and it would look fixed, very fixed, as a matter of fact. All right, I'm going to pull that pin out. I could also like braid this. I don't know that I could do it right now, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try and see what happens. I won't do like a fancy braid or anything, but just to kind of play with it for a minute and see what we get. I think having little pieces like this, little ponytails, extensions, you know, I think it's fun. Look, I now look like, well, I don't know, I'm still doing J-Lo or I'm doing I Dream of Jeannie. There's the little braid. Now, if I was like putting a lot of time in it, I could really make it look cute and have some cute earrings on. Well, y'all will have to tell me what you think. What do you think about it? I have no desire at all to grow my hair back out. I just don't want the maintenance of having long hair, and I don't know, but I would definitely, without a doubt, I would put this on my head and I would wear it. I sure would. And if we were on a trip in the summer at the beach when we're going out to dinner, definitely would wear it. I think it's so cute. Now let's talk about the color. What do y'all think about the color? As I said, I have the dark back here, and I also have it dark right here. And then we debated about the color. Very extremely helpful. I actually sent a picture of the back of my head so that they could see that my hair was darker back there. You could get like 2 tones. So I think the color's good. I don't think it looks bad at all. Another thing that you could do also is take a curling iron, because with it being human hair, you can curl human hair extensions. I think it'd be cute curled. I think there could be so many different ways that you could wear it besides just in a ponytail. Take another band, a scarf, and put it right there. And like I showed you with it wrapped real quick. But I'm telling you, that was easy breezy. I'm very impressed. I'm super, super impressed. So just to tell you a few things, what it says on the back is it's recommended cool or warm water. There is a technique to wash an extension because you really want to take care of them. And extensions, really good ones, are a little bit more expensive, but you want them to look good. When they're new, like this one's brand new out of the package, it is a little bit shiny, and that will wear off, especially after you've washed it once, but just running your hand over it, it'll start wearing off. But this one, looking in my mirror, doesn't look real super shiny. So in my opinion, it looks good. It looks really good. It says use shampoo. They give you different ones they suggest different ones, and brush gently. Use a conditioner, rinse thoroughly with the conditioner, and apply a cream rinse or spray kind of cream rinse. So I would probably use what I use on my hair. I'll link a video where I show what products I use to keep my hair shiny and in condition. And it just gives you kind of some directions about how to wash it, some more information. And they did give me a coupon code, and I will leave that below. But I'm not sure how it's pronounced, so I'm going to pronounce it E-litchi 100% Remy Human Hair. And I will leave the color that I have and the length. This was not the long one. They had them that were super long. But I don't know. I didn't want to get it too long. I like the length like this. Appreciate the company E-litchi reaching out and allowing me to give my opinion and review their product. Y'all know how much I love doing hair, so this was completely 100% right up my alley. I'll come back and do some different hair ideas with it. So let me know what y'all think. Any questions that you have, I will leave everything below, all the information for E-litchi's website. Like I said, they will help you with color matching. But I really appreciate y'all being here with me today. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Either one helps my channel. Please subscribe. That helps it even more. And like I said, comments, questions, leave it below. I love interacting with my audience. And I guess that's it, and I'll see y'all next time.